how to remove the Whitco lock when it is in the lock position. Now you can see here, this is at the moment I'm unable to turn it, so therefore I'm unable to open and remove this lock, and unable to open the door when it is in the lock position, and I do not have the key to this padlock. So the way we're going to do it is we need to get a piece of hot wire like this one here, and I'm going to pocket right in underneath like so, and you also need one of this snipper right here. So we're going to put it in. At the moment you can see it is locked, so we're going to push it in like so, and after you'll be able to turn. As you can see, I can turn it now, and then you can pull this one out, and there, after that, once it is turned, we can use this one to unlock it. So now once this is unlocked, we can move this one, and now we can remove the door, and that's it. So the trick is to put the wire in the hole here, and then use this one, turn like so, and that's it. Thank you for watching.